Kilo 39 Anderson.
39, go ahead.
Yes, sir. On your next drop, your ground contact is going to be York.
York, copy.
The exercise that we've got done today, really, we were able to put about 7 people on the ground through an experience where they could talk to the ships back and forth, get that communications down. It can't be overstated that what it looks like in the air and what it looks like in the ground are completely different, and the ability to communicate back and forth so that we understand each other makes efficient use of the aircraft. We're not wasting time lining up at targets, wasting fuel, exposing people to risk that we don't need to. And you can talk about it in a classroom, but when they're flying and you actually get it up there, it's a much better experience for everyone involved.
This piece today is working with them to train them up so they can get a picture of what it's like from the ground calling the helicopter in, and see where it can get confused. As some of the calls, were just kind of, I guess, very subjective in the terms, so I couldn't really tell where they were at, so we were working that kind of stuff out.